A lot of people don't like this shoe. Let me show you why. I think definitely a classic. They tweaked it a little bit, not to everyone's satisfaction. I'm about to see if it's a hit or a miss. So I got a special delivery. This one was from the Rule of Necks. I was trying to get them from the sneakers app. Quite a few individuals wanted this shoe. They did not sit like I thought I would. 30 minutes after, size 10.5 was gone. Started scrambling, and luckily I was able to get them $242. It was a $12.95 for shipping. See the classic black box. Look at the shoe size, 10.5. Bam. These do not look bad at all. They feel good, the finishing feels good. Reminds me of a candy apple, you know. I like these a lot. So we got the red. It's a Varsity red. To me, it's almost like a candied apple all around the shoe. This is what the cause of controversy was. Leather eyelets. Let me put it like this. I got cough drops that are suede eyelets, and they're still holding on. No cracking, anything like that. If anything, my cough drops is in right here, is coming undone, but that's it. The one thing about the Foamposite, it's one mold. So it's not too many pieces that are, you know, together. It's really the outsole, and that's pretty much about it. So it really just stays together. You know, the cough drops I have are probably 12 years old, so that's understandable that they're coming undone. This mesh tongue right here with the penny cent logo. It says oval lace carbon fiber. We got the blue outsole, which I don't really care. You know, even at first I was not a fan of yellowing, but the yellowing is not that bad on my Foamposites. I have Olympic foams. They're not even yellowing. If they are, it's very, very small yellowing. And you know, something right to your boy finish you all with a
unseat.
$240. I'm used to paying $230. Usually if I can get them on sale, I usually do. But like I said, these shoes hold up the test of time. So I'm really not tripping on it. I mean, compared to Jordans that I pay, you know, maybe close to that price, these shoes are gonna be good for, you know, the next 10 years, depending on how you wear your shoes. Me personally, I know I bring mine out every now and again. Good shoe, good colorway, and I like it. On feet, nice. These right here to me are a win. They look banging on feet.